All right, language explorer. So let's look at today's word of the day. So decent. 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 Something just about good enough. Not bad. Not amazing. Just, yeah, okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's decent. Yeah. Yeah. It's like, yeah, it's okay. Let's have a look. There's a picture. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, like this. Like, decent. It's alright. Okay. It's not bad. It's not bad, but nor is it amazing. There we are. It's not bad, nor is it amazing. It's okay. Yeah. So he has a decent plan. Let's change that. That was a decent meal. He wrote a decent book. She has some decent ideas. They went to a decent restaurant. Yeah. It was a decent place. It was okay. It was okay. How cool is that? Yeah, it was alright. Yeah. They were decent people. They were okay. They were decent people to me. Yeah. They were okay. They were okay. Yeah. It was a decent meal. Very good. I'm going to make something better than just decent. Yeah, I can do better than decent. Yeah. I can do better than decent. You are more than decent. You are amazing. You're more than decent. You're amazing. How cool is that? Yeah. Eventually, it'll just be another decent party. If it continues like this, then it will just become a decent event. There will be nothing special about it. Yeah, about it. It'll be a decent event. Nothing special. Nothing special. Yeah, it's decent. How cool is that? Yeah. All right. So, can you use decent in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. Yeah. On YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. As well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.